According to Pizza.com, 94% of Americans eat pizza regularly. Who doesn't love pizza? Today, I'm going to show you the 4-step process to make the perfect pizza. Step 1, you have to roll out the dough. So you take a dough ball and you pat it down like this, and this makes it easier to roll out the dough. And you put it in the flour, and putting it in the flour makes it easier for it to go through the machine that thins it out. This right here, it makes the pizza thinner or thicker. So if you want a thicker pizza, then you have it a little bit higher, and if you want a thinner pizza, you put it lower. And we're gonna go for thin. And this is the on switch. You turn it on, and then you start rolling it out, and you push it through the machine like so. And you push it through the machine until you get the perfect thickness that you want. And these are your screens over here. There's a 12-inch screen, a 14-inch screen, and a 16-inch screen. We're going to do a 12-inch screen, and the screen the screen is there so the pizza doesn't get burnt on the bottom, but it has holes in it so the air can flow and the pizza can get crispy on the bottom. And then you throw it in the air like so, and you throw it on top of the screen, and you roll it out with this, and this puts holes in it so it has air to bubble up. And then you take this to cut the dough into your circle, and then you put the excess dough down there, and then you have your perfect pizza dough on the screen. And then you come to step 2, and step 2 is sauce and cheese. So for the sauce, you use a ladle about this big, and you do 1 scoop, and you put it on the pizza, and you just circle around like this to get the sauce all the way on the pizza. The sauce is a secret mix, so you can make your own with tomato sauce and spices. And then you come over here to your cheese. You grab about a handful, and it's mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle it on the top, and then you spread it around like so, and you get it out to the edges. And there you have your sauce and your cheese. And then we move on to step 3, which is toppings. And according to thepizzajoint.com, we eat approximately 251,770,000 pounds of pepperoni per year. Other popular toppings are mushrooms, extra cheese, sausage, green pepper, and onion. Today we're going to put pepperoni and onion on there. So you take your pepperonis and you make sure they're on the outer edge of the pizza. Just cover the entire pizza with pepperoni. And then you take your onions, about a handful, and you sprinkle them on top. And then you take like a tiny bit more cheese and you sprinkle that over the top. And there you have your toppings. And then we move on to step 4, and that is putting it in the oven. And so you have your oven typically at 550 degrees, but at home, if you're making your own pizza, you can put it at 450. And this is our oven, and you just pop it in there, and there's golden versus crispy crust. So for golden, I would give it about like 5 to 7 minutes, and for crispy, I would give it about like 8 to 10. And then once it comes out, this is your final project. As you can see, there are some pieces missing because we are feeding America. And thank you for watching my video.
Just